Hello everyone, welcome back if you are new here. For this week's video of Oaxaca Diaries, we are taking you guys along with us for our last few days here. We have been here for 6 weeks now and we've loved it, but we're going to move over to the beach for the last 2 weeks. So for the last few days we have some errands planned and a mixture of like just old haunts, some of our favorite things that we want to see one last time. So today I'm actually going to go get a facial. And then we're actually gonna get our teeth cleaned as well, which I'm really excited for because I feel like I'm due for teeth cleaning. And we called, I know it's kind of weird getting our teeth cleaned here, but we called and it was like 50 bucks for the both of us to get our teeth cleaned at this private practice. Show your teeth. We just got our teeth cleaned. I forgot my rings at home, so I've been stressed about that because it's cleaning day today. So I hope, you know, they're safe and sound when I get there. Yeah, I do too. It just feels weird, like
knowing that they're on display.
And yeah, and that they're just not on my finger. And Diego has his, so we're not even married. Married to
myself, married to the game.
Show them your coffee. My coffee doesn't look amazing right now because I just opened it, but I got an affogato with Oaxacan chocolate ice cream.
I got a cappuccino. Oh. She's so soft. I love your curls.
We are going to the grocery store. We're gonna get ourselves new toothbrushes to help with our dental health that we are taking care of. Yeah. I don't know. We don't have bad teeth or anything, but we are, you know, taking next steps, I guess.
Yeah.
And we also need to pull out some cash before we go to Puerto Escondido. No. And good ones. Hola.
Buenas. 50 pesos for a dry clean? Boy, that is like $1.75. That's crazy.
Last we updated you, we had just gotten out of our teeth cleansing. We got a coffee and then we had to go to the grocery store to get a few things and we got dry cleaning. We came here and just kind of fixed ourselves up a bit, I guess. And now we're gonna get a Didi. When we first got here and we're going to Xochimilco, we like walked every single time. And I don't know what's happened, but the longer we've been here, like the lazier we've gotten a bit. So we're gonna get a taxi to go there. It's like a 40-minute walk from where we are, maybe 30 minutes, I don't know. Maybe I'm being dramatic. And we're gonna check it out there, maybe go to a coffee shop. And then I mentioned earlier that we have a soccer game later. So yeah, that's the rest of our plans for today. We got our errands done, we took out cash, we got our teeth cleaned, I got a facial, Diego got a haircut. Life is good.
Life's good. Buenas tardes para Diego.
We got some queso fundido, right?
Yep.
This one has mushrooms and bell peppers and Oaxacan cheese. And this one's the Oaxacan cheese with
cecina, which is pork.
Okay, pork and something else, I believe. But they smell so good, so here we go.
About to dive right in.